Welcome to Cooking with Shams. As always, all the spices are ready and we are making a fiery dip for spicy lovers. So, the cloves of garlic and the ginger is going into the blender. Then comes the bird-eye chilies. But all these ingredients will be listed in the description, so just follow along. With fresh bird's eye chilies, garlic, lemon juice, sugar, and it balances the heat and sweetness. Look at this fresh lemon juice. While it's blending, this pairs extremely well with grilled meat, fish cakes, and zesty dishes. So get started. It is absolutely simple. As always, I bring to you simple recipes.